Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I will show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, let's open up our standalone contacts application like this one right here. Then click on the three bars right here and select Manage Contacts. You want to then select Import Contacts, Allow, and select where you want to import them from. So I'll be selecting SIM card. This in turn will display all the contacts from the SIM card, and you can quickly select them all by clicking right here. You can also manually select and deselect them as well, like so. Click on Done, and this will then ask you where you want to import your contacts to. Now I have two options. I have the Samsung account and I have the phone. You might also see Google account on your end, so choose where you want to import your contacts to. I'll be selecting phone, and then just confirm it by selecting import. This will give you a confirmation that it has finished the job, and when you go back, you should be able to see the contacts right here. Now, because this is Samsung contacts, chances are you will see duplicate contacts sometimes. So if you want to prevent that from happening, I might recommend downloading the Contacts by Google, as that application allows you to choose each individual location where you're displaying contacts from, making it a bit cleaner for you for your entire contacts list. But with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.